Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit aesthetic shorts using CapCut on your mobile. So this complete tutorial will break down how you can get aesthetic short using the best free tools only on your mobile. Now you can just open CapCut and tap on new video. Then just choose the photo that you want to edit. So for example, in here I'm going to add 5 photos right here. And now you can set each photo into 2 seconds and then zoom it in a little bit. So repeat the steps for all the photos that you add. Okay, after all the photo has been trimmed to 2 seconds and zoom in like this, now you can just go to the filter options and search for live filter. So I'm going to go with the live 2. Adjust the intensity to how you like it and make it apply to all your clip. Now go to effects, video effects, and search for the sharpen edge effect, this one. Now apply it to all the photos. Go back to the video effects and now add the ripple effects. So search for ripple, this one's right here. Now apply it to all and click on adjust. Set the sharpen to 37 and the size to 30 and twist 0 and leave the rest as it is. Now add another effects, vibration flash. This one. Again, apply it to all the clips just like this and add the last effect is noise 2. This one. Again, apply it to all. Next one, click on the transition box in between the photos and add the pull-in transition. This one, pull in. Click on apply to all. Click on the check icon and last one. Click on the first photo, go to animations, combo, and apply the pendulum animation. You can go with pendulum 1 or 2. So repeat it for all of your photos. And after all the animation is added, you can just add add the text, or you can also add lyrics if you want to, and adjust the text or lyrics to how you prefer. So let me show you the result for the edits. And this is it. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.